Anthropic is moving at a breakneck speed. The pace is getting very difficult to follow. You might think Claude Code was the high point. It wasn't. They pushed past it. The story is changing. AI writes the code. Now AI checks the code. Anthropic is tackling a problem it helped unleash. According to a user on X who said Claude wrote messy code and charged you $100, then of course Claude fixed the same messy code and charged you another $25. Interesting plot twist. Eager to find out? This, ladies and gentlemen, is Front Page by the AIM Network. Like, share, and subscribe. Anthropic has announced Code Review. A new system is now built into Claude Code. It connects directly to GitHub. Pull requests are examined before they ever reach the merge stage. This is far beyond a basic code check. Multiple agents working at the same time. Different approaches, different inspections, finding bugs, removing duplicates, sorting issues by severity. The design focuses on depth, not just speed. The quick and dirty coding phase is quickly fading. Serious engineering is definitely back, and the reason becomes clear when you look at the workload. Inside Anthropic, developers were struggling to keep up. Code output per engineer had risen by 200% in a single year. Production was accelerating for sure. The review process, unfortunately, was not. Only 16% of pull requests were receiving meaningful feedback. In practice, many changes were simply approved without much scrutiny. Once the new review system was introduced, that picture changed dramatically. The share of pull requests receiving meaningful feedback rose to 54%. For larger pull requests, those exceeding 1,000 lines of code, the system flagged potential problems 84% of the time. On average, it identified about 7.5 issues per pull request, and the error rate remained very low. Less than 1% of the findings were considered incorrect. One developer changed a single line of code. It looked routine. Claude marked it as critical. That line would have disabled the authentication checks across the system. One small change and an entire login system exposed. That's the difference a review can make. This system is built for large production environments, the kind used by companies operating at enormous scale. Companies like Uber, Salesforce, Accenture. The giants dealing with the AI surge. Admins take control, spend caps, analytics, repo-level toggles, and the timing is definitely ideal. $2.5 billion run rate revenue since launch. Enterprise subscription climbing quickly. This, of course, has become core software, $15 to $25 per review. The response online came instantly. GitHub Copilot is cheaper. CodeRabbit does it for less, end quote. Anthropic isn't changing the lowest price. They're actually offering the judgment of a senior engineer. 20 minutes of focused code review, a $25 review request. A senior developer billing $200 an hour. That math speaks for itself. A premium service, high signal, and of course, first came the question, can AI write code? Now, of course, the question, can teams rely on it? And of course, that question is already shaping the next stage of development. Anthropic is expanding across the entire stack. Generation, security, review. The focus, of course, now reaches beyond the model itself. Attention is moving to how software is built and maintained. One assumption is beginning to fade. Writing code has never been the hardest step. Reviewing it is where teams struggle. Trust remains the real hurdle. Success will depend on the process around the code. And at this moment, Anthropic is designing that very process. And here, of course, is the front page take. And that process moves urgently. Speed is a weapon. Anthropic is using it. First came the enterprise teams, then the developers at the keyboard. Now, the merge button. The company keeps climbing the software stack. Momentum is building. So the question becomes, is $25 a bargain or something else entirely? Please do let us know what you think in the comments below. This, ladies and gentlemen, is Front Page by the AIM Network. Like, share, subscribe, and always remember, think AI, think AIM.